We've got new power tool announcements from Milwaukee, Harbor Freight, DeWALT, Flex, Skill, and more.
We've got impact bits, string trimmers, lawnmowers, circular saws, a massive impact wrench, and for some reason, a holiday gift set from Knipex.
Plus another platinum tool deal from Ohio Power Tool. This is the Tool Show. We're starting off this week with new power tool news from Harbor Freight. Bauer has a new benchtop router table aimed at DIYers who have outgrown clamp-on plates. The cast aluminum top measures 32 by 16 inches and is an even 1 inch thick for better flatness. You get a split fence with independent adjustable faces, a standard 2.5 inch dust port, and easy reading scales embedded in the fence wings. The whole unit tips the scale at about 32 pounds, so it's still move around friendly. You can get yours right now at your local Harbor Freight for only $139.99.
DeWALT has more new tools for your collection, starting with the 20-volt max 12-inch compact brushless chainsaw. It keeps the familiar 12-inch low kickback bar, but moves to a new brushless motor that spins the chain at up to 10 meters per second while keeping overall weight to 9 pounds with a battery for trim-friendly control. The bare tool price is holding at $209, and you can pick one up today at ohiopowertool.com.
Sticking with DeWALT, the company's first FlexVolt 60-volt max 10-inch telescoping pole saw kit is here. A brushless head drives a 10-inch bar that will cut up to 8-inch diameter limbs, and the fiberglass shaft telescopes out to a full 140 inches. The kit ships with a 3 amp hour FlexVolt pack and charger. The pre-order price is about $529. You can get in line at Ohio Power Tool.
Need a compact slider to finish work? DeWalt's new 20-volt max XR 10-inch double bevel fixed miter saw runs a 4,900 RPM brushless motor, handles nested 3 5/8 inch crown, and crosscuts a 2x8 at 90 degrees. The bare tool weighs just over 30 pounds, making it genuinely portable. It's up for pre-order at Ohio Power Tool for $399 bare.
Ryobi is expanding accessories with the 3-piece titanium step drill bit set. You get a number 6, 12, and 13 bits, all sporting a titanium coating, laser etched size bands, and a 140-degree split point tip to reduce walking. MSRP is at an approachable $24.97. Expect these to show up in May.
Another clever add-on is Ryobi's Hedge Debris Collector. A reversible 5-gallon bag rides alongside any 18 to 26 inch 1+ hedge trimmer fitted with hedge sweep, scooping clippings as you cut so they hit the bag and not a mulch bed. It's slated for May for $39.
All right, car care pros, Flex has the cordless FX 3321 2C 24-volt random orbital polisher kit. The machine delivers a 15mm orbit with variable speed from 1350 to 4350 RPM and 2700 to 8700 OPM, and ships with 2 5 amp hour batteries and a rapid charger. It's in stock right now at Ohio Power Tool for $679. And as a follow-up to the recent episode where I asked if I should try the new Flex Polisher lineup on Sarah's car, most of you replied with a resounding yes, while a select few professional details chimed in with, "Are you insane?" So, to preserve the perfect marriage I've had with this woman so far, I've elected to reach out to a professional detailing company here in Columbus and see if they'll teach me how to use these new polishers properly and maybe give us some kind of feedback of their own. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see it.
Thank you, professional detailers, for saving my black beauty. Now, if spring cleaning is on the list, Skill's 20-volt power scrubber kit might help. Dual speed settings of 300 or 500 RPM tackle everything from tile to patio furniture, and the kit bundles with a 2 amp hour battery, 30-watt charger, and 2 triangular brushes. It's already showing up at retail for $79.98.
Skill also unveiled the 20-volt brushless compact router kit. It's a 1-horsepower brushless motor that spins 15,000 to 30,000 RPM through a 1/4-inch collet, controlled by a 6-step dial. The kit includes a 4 amp hour battery, 60-watt charger, edge guides, dust shroud, and 3 starter bits for just $149.99. I recently got to use this new router on a job of my own, and it was super easy to handle and had plenty of power for the roundovers I needed.
And finally, Milwaukee's long-teased M18 Fuel 9-gallon dual battery dust extractor kit is up for pre-order. Twin HD 12-volt Forge packs deliver 125 CFM cordless, or plug it in for 175 CFM plus automatic HEPA filter cleaning. The base is pack-out compatible and features VAC-Link wireless activation. You can pre-order it right now at ohiopowertool.com for $12.99.
Hey, speaking of Ohio Power Tool, if you happen to be in the central Ohio area this coming Thursday, May 15th, you should stop by. OPT will be having their annual spring sales event packed with tool reps, demos, free food, and more. Now, Sarah and I will be there to shoot some show segments between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., and look forward to meeting a bunch of you as well. Just be sure to say hi. This week's episode is brought to you by Wolfbox and their brand new G900 Pro Smart Mirror, which just picked up the 2024 SEMA Award for Best New Interior Accessory.
If you haven't seen one of these before, the G900 Pro is a digital rearview mirror and dash cam that mounts right on top of your existing mirror. But it's way more than just a mirror. It includes a high-resolution touchscreen and a pair of cameras, one on the back of the mirror and one that mounts to the rear of your vehicle.
Now, the setup gives you an uninterrupted live view of what's ahead of you and behind you, or both at the same time. And the image quality is super sharp. It records in front-facing 4K and rear-facing 2.5K using an 8-megapixel Sony IMX678 sensor that's designed for maximum clarity during the day.
And when the sun goes down, the G900 Pro doesn't miss a beat. It uses 2 DNR and 3 DNR noise reduction technology to deliver clear footage in low light conditions with reduced glare and better visibility than most traditional dash cams.
It also comes with 5.8G Wi-Fi and a dedicated app, so downloading video is super fast. And you don't have to tap the screen while you're driving, just use the built-in voice control to start or stop recordings, lock videos, or take snapshots.
There's also a G sensor that automatically locks footage during a crash, plus parking mode that keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. And if you're someone who struggles with tight parking, it's got a reverse assist built in with clear visual guidelines.
Right now, there are a few ways you can save money on your own G900 Pro. If you purchase it on Amazon, use code WBPROCAM25 to get 25% off. If you purchase from their official Wolfbox website, use code WBBESTGEAR to get $40 off.
You can learn more or grab one for yourself by clicking the link in the description. Big thanks to Wolfbox for sponsoring this week's show.
Moving on to our favorite tool videos of the week, starting with Tim Johnson, who's over on Shop Tool Reviews getting his first look at Milwaukee's new Shockwave Impact Duty bit sets and testing them to see if they live up to the job. The bits do appear to do a good job, but it feels like Tim might just be more impressed with how easy they are to get in and out than how well they work.
A completely relevant point of view. I hate bit sets that are difficult to get in and out. I thought it was Christmas this week. It turns out it's only Christmas over on Millis Construction, where they finally got around to opening their Knipex holiday gift set, and it was full of goodies that you'll want to see.
Todd over at Project Farm was testing string trimmers last week, and somehow we missed it. Hopefully you don't, because he's back testing examples from Milwaukee, DeWALT, Makita, Ryobi, Ego, Husqvarna, and more. And the champion from last time he did this was just dethroned by a popular power tool manufacturer. You should go check it out.
Speaking of OPE shootouts, the boys at Pro Tool Reviews just crowned the best battery lawnmower of 2025 after a rigorous testing process. Well, technically, they handed out 3 crowns, one for best value, one for best power, and one for best overall.
The Torque Obsessed trio is back testing in the deep end of the torque pool, specifically opening up Makita's new GWT-10Z 40-volt Max XGT brushless, cordless, 4-speed, high torque, 1-inch square drive, D-handle, extended anvil. Maybe I should finish reading this title in like next week's show.
Hurry up or you'll have to.
All right, where was I? Extended anvil impact wrench with friction ring. If you need someone to hand you one of these at work next week, I'd start asking today. The beast claims a crazy 2,950 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, and TTC finds out if it's worth the grand it costs to bring one home.
Mr. Tools decided to take his recently acquired set of Makita MacTrack and build a similar setup out of Packout, matching Makita's landscape format by using the Packout rolling tool chest as a base. He goes into a remarkable amount of detail on every box and discusses the various ways that you can customize both sets to best suit you. Great opportunity for Milwaukee and Makita fans to come together in the comments and just be friends.
That will never happen. Actually, my favorite comment on that video last time I looked was from some dude that was referring to like all modular toolbox system as like power tool Tupperware. We should only refer to
forever
it as that
calling it that.
Yeah, it's really awesome. All right, our last stop is over on Machinery Nation, where James and Josh are testing a Milwaukee M12 circular saw up against an M18 circular saw. Now, I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I have to say the M12 platform continues to eat away at M18 every time they find more power in those tiny batteries.
I love my M12 stuff. I've yet to have a project that I can't finish with them, and they're compact and light. I love it. Every Monday night, we go live here on Tool Show and invite our channel members to join us in live chat, where we talk about what videos that we're going to feature that week and invite a few members to play a trivia game. The winner takes home a bunch of Rob's tools.
Yeah, some of us are less excited about that part, but anyways, our channel members seem to love it. This week, we actually played 2 games and had 2 different winners. Our first winner was B-Dubs, who took home a pair of Milwaukee cutters, a pack of Spider jigsaw blades, an Ego tumbler, a slick black Extra wallet, a Tool Show jacket, some stealth mounts for Ryobi batteries, 3 packs of crocodile cloth, and the Ryobi One Plus 18-volt Verse Link stereo.
Our second winner was Timothy, who made his 3rd appearance on our show, this time winning a Tool Show Black Ladder jacket, stealth mount level mounts, a crescent hat, a pair of Milwaukee cutters, 3 packs of crocodile cloth, the Hercules drill driver combo kit, an extra 5 amp hour Hercules battery, and a fast charger.
A huge thanks to our entire production crew who support Sarah and I and help us produce the Tool Show every week. If you'd like to join us, click join next to the subscribe button for more details.
Every week we bring you an exclusive code from Ohio Power Tool that only works for the first 25 lucky people who use it. So if you want the best possible tool deal of the week, always be here at 8 p.m. Eastern Time every Friday. This week's code will get you $50 off a $100 or more purchase of anything in stock from Flex.
The code you need is TS29644. Good luck.
I want to thank Wolfbox and Ohio Power Tool for sponsoring this episode and supporting our community of tool fans.
All right, guys, if you can, do something kind for a neighbor this weekend, and Sarah and I will see you next Thursday live at the Ohio Power Tool Spring Sale. We'll see you then.